Okay, starting now. Why did they like to pickle shit? What was I doing in here? Yeah, that's lovely. Next song.
I'm in trouble, I'm an addict, I'm addicted to this girl. She's got my heart tied in a knot and my stomach in a whirl. But even worse, I can't stop calling her. All I want is more, I mean Sam, what's not to it? I've been playing too much games, I've been listening to jazz. I called so many times, I swear she's going mad and that
Cellular will be the death of us, I swear. I swear. Ooh, my mouth feels like I got hurt, but I surely it's so hard. Rock and roll. Is she out? Which one's mine? This code, not that one.
in trouble, I'm so patient. See, that word just wears me out. Makes me feel like just another boy to laugh and joke about. But even worse, I can't stop calling her. I love to hear her voice.
And honestly,
I'm left with no choice. I've been playing too much games. I've been listening to jazz. I call so many times. I swear she's going mad, and that cellular won't be the death of us.
I swear. Just like I got her, but I surely don't.
Because she's so
rock and roll out of my league.
Is she out of my league?
Let's hope not. Can you fix that? No, that's it. Radio killer. And then it did record.
Gym class hero.
What you got?
I'm Drake. It's hard to look innocent when I got cookie crumbs all over my face.
Ooh! Nice, get it. You're joking. Do you have mac and cheese? It's by the Van by Andrew.